Hi, I'm Ray with Coachmen. I want to show you our new for 2026 Coachmen Apex Nano 181 RB. This is one of our smaller trailers, but one of the smallest that we have that features our Bar V configuration. So this is going to give you the indoor-outdoor living experience in a travel trailer. Like every Apex, this one starts off from the front with a molded front cap with an integrated windshield, a wide open pass-through storage compartment that gives you great storage throughout the travel trailer. This is equipped with our Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain wheel and tire upgrade package to give you more ground clearance and a much higher quality, robust tire. Your spare tire is a matching spare. Griddle on the outside or a table, depending on how you choose to use it, and then lots of space inside for such a small trailer. This is the inside of the Apex 181 RB. It is a great model for 2 people to camp in. Up in the bedroom here, you have great overhead storage space, wardrobes on both sides of the bed, walk around queen bed so you have access from both sides. There's USB and 120 volt electric plugs on both sides of the bed, a spacious galley for such a small travel trailer. And then because of our Bar V configuration, instead of a traditional dinette, this travel trailer gets a really comfortable set of freestanding chairs, a breakfast bar, and then your beautiful window from the outside with integrated screen. Being a rear bath, this has a great spacious bathroom in the back. Starts off with a nice big full-size shower, a vanity, obviously the toilet itself, and then great storage wardrobes in the bathroom there to really pack a ton of storage space into a travel trailer that's just in around 3,500 pounds. As you can see, this is one of the best floor plans for a mobile couple that wants a really great trailer. You're going to be inside, outside, get to experience the great outdoors and do so with a lot of comfort in that terrific Apex lightweight build quality with all aluminum construction, composite build sidewalls, and a laminated roof and floor.